Hello everybody. In this video I'm working on the header. This is an e-commerce website. I have been working on this for a couple of days, and now I want to make this header transparent. What we are doing is now I'm at the home page. Just edit with UX Builder. I'm using Flatsome theme. Flatsome theme is the most I can say that this is the best theme for e-commerce website and has a lot of features. In order to make your header transparent, firstly click on this gear icon. In here, templates, select you have to select this one, page full width transparent header, light text. Okay, and here it is. Now you can see that our header is transparent. Now go back, and now we have to give a little bit margin for this content here. Now I select, okay, let me see which row is this. This is this row, and for this column I just give a margin of let me see, 100, a little bit more, 120, 140. Yeah, I think it's okay. Now we have a transparent header, and I update it. Now I can go to theme customizer and edit the header the way I like. Okay, now this is transparent. In order to edit, in order to bring changes on your header elements, click customize. Here you can customize your header. Click header. You have some presets. You can select any of them, and you can logo and your site identity. You can give logo and the name. And the top bar, here it is, the top bar, this part, and we have the main header and header bottom. In here I'm using only the top bar and main header. You can see here you have the elements, and you can just drag and drop. I have already designed my header, so I don't think anything is needed to be changed. So just you can do, for example, you can add a navigation menu right here. Where is that? Right here. Or maybe you can add it right here. You have a menu right there, or maybe you can add it, it's better to add it in the here, header top bar, or you can add any other elements you want. So I think mine is okay, and it's all. Thank you very much, and make sure you subscribe. Every now and then I'm making some videos about web development, e-commerce, and some other related stuff. So have a good time, and bye bye.